teacher Noi. Thank you very much. And so I'm gonna end this video right now because I'm gonna go to Vang Vieng and I'm gonna make the next clip is Vang Vieng. So see you in Vang Vieng. Bye.